Suzie.
So when you're drawing hair strokes with pomade and a really fine brush, there's two tricks that I think really help you get those fine hair strokes. One is pulling the product out on a separate surface, because if you just leave it in the pot, you're gonna get too much on your brush. The second is taking your fine little brush and really making a flat paste. This really helps to press the product into the brush and really helps to make that brush a really fine point. Then when you go in to do your hair strokes, you have that really fine brush already pressed down with all the product to make those hair strokes.